Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl for Glams and I'm back with another hair tutorial. If this is your first time of seeing this face, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and also click on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I make a post here on YouTube. So you're welcome to the family, okay? So today I am doing the crochet style and I'll be using the hair from the brand QVR. I have a couple of videos, actually 2 videos of this same brand, and this is the brand rather, and this is the third time I'm working with them. So go check some of the videos here if you haven't seen them, and yeah, make sure you drop a comment also on that video. Let me know what you think about the hair. Okay, so today I will be working with extensions. I think I got 5 packs of the kinky coily human hair extension, and this is in color 4 and I think 22 inches. Okay, so I will be doing crochet style. My hair is already in cornrows, and I'm basically would be using my crochet needle to install the hair. But before we go into the styling part of the hair, let's talk about this hair itself. Okay, so this is what the 22 inches is looking like right now. It still has the net in, so I'm going to take this net out so we can really see what it looks like. So there's a tiny band here. I'm just going to take that out as well so we can see the hair in its glory. Okay, so the first impression about this hair is that it is really soft. Remember, this is human hair extension, and you can use this extension for twist, micro locks, twist as well. It all depends on what you're going for and the kind of definition you want at the end of the twist. Okay, so this is what the kinky coily texture is looking like, and this is color 4. I don't think I've ever used color 4 extension, but I feel like it's really going to look very beautiful, and it's going to complement my skin as well. So I'm going to show you guys, do like a close-up shoot of this extension. But again, the first impression of this hair is it's really soft. There is absolutely no smell whatsoever, and I like the coil definition, and I think I can actually brush this out because I'm trying to take it out and just to see how the definition of the coil is going to look like, and it's already looking really good. So like I mentioned, there are so many style options that you can do with this style, and so let's do like an up close video for you guys to see the beauty of this extension. So this is what the hair is looking like right now. As you can see, the coil pattern, remember this is the kinky coily texture extension. It's really soft, as you can see, and you can also see the coil pattern or the coil definition. This is kinky coily, and it's almost like mimicking our natural hair texture and our natural hair coils as well. And like I mentioned, there is no smell. It's really soft, so I'm just gonna show you guys how to style with this extension. So one unique thing about this extension is that you can easily separate the hair. As you can see, it's already like pre-separated, so you get this one, you can split it into more strands as much as possible, but this is what it's looking like. So you see, it's very easy to separate, and I'm also going to split this one so we see how well it separates. So I'm going to like split this out and let's see how it is. So this is it, and even with this one, like I mentioned, you can also keep splitting because it looks like it's already separated. And the thing about pre-separated crochet style is that it makes it much easier for you to work with. So this is what 22 inches is looking like right now, and so because I want it to be a little bit longer, when I want to crochet this strand of hair, I'm not going to fold it into 2. If you fold it into 2, this is the length you're going to work with. So it all depends on the length you're going for. But I still want it a little bit longer. So I'm not going to do into 2 like this. I am going to crochet the hands here. This is the part I'm going to crochet so it stays like this on my hair and everything goes down. So maybe the front side was like, you know, start styling and I get to the front part of the hair, I might probably just fold it a little bit more so it gives like this layered look that I'm going for. Okay, So for styling, I honestly don't know how I'm going to style, but let's install the crochet style first, or the crochet hair first, and then we're going to, come up with something really nice first. So I'm going to show you guys my cornrow style. This is just basic cornrows going all the way back. I have 7 cornrows right here, and it's much easier when you're doing crochet. It all depends on the style you're going for, but this 7 cornrows is still going to do the job perfectly well for me. So guys, I started doing the crochet at the back and it was really soft, and I just said, you know what, I'm just going to show you guys how soft and amazing this human hair extension is. So I grabbed just a bottle of water and I started spritzing it on the hair. As you can see, the definition started to definite. Okay, I don't know what that word is, but you can clearly see that the curls were getting more and more defined as I was going through with the brush. There was no water, there was no conditioner or a leave-in conditioner or even a gel, but it was extremely soft and it started to define the curls even more. When I tell you this human hair extension is the itch, believe me. Can you see the difference between this side and the other side? Yes, I just couldn't stop rubbing my fingers through the hair. Like, it was so soft, extremely, extremely soft. I absolutely love this extension. If at this point in your life you don't know how to crochet, honestly, I don't know what to say to you, but it's really easy. I was just going with each strand, especially because it's already pre-separated. It makes it much easier for you to grab some of the strand. As you can see, I was adding like 2. Sometimes I would do 1 and then I fold it into 2, pass the crochet needle through, hook it, pull over, and basically just loop it with the other one. And that's it basically on how to crochet. There are a million videos on YouTube on how to crochet, and it's much easier for you to do when you keep on practicing. So it's much easier to do, as you get to see as I was just crocheting the hair. So there's nothing really you know extra with crocheting. I'm just putting the extension on and just keep doing that until I get all over the hair and done with crocheting the style. New love, can we get high? New love, no drugs, I'm ready to fly, no drug. Pull up, if I'm on your mind, pull up above. When you come inside, in us, I am baptized, I am alive again. Give me new life, take me to heaven. When it feels right, that's that ascension. Never go back to when we before you forgot my worth. Your love for me feels like a rebirth. I don't wanna lose this high, wouldn't wanna lose this high. I just wanna make me yours, I just wanna make you mine. Before you forgot my worth. Your love for me feels like a rebirth. I don't wanna lose this high, wouldn't wanna lose this high. I just wanna make me yours, I just wanna make you mine. Mine. At this point, I was done installing the crochet, just few places here and there, but I just wanted to let you guys, just to remind you that I got sent 5 packs of this extension. I used almost 4 packs, so I had 1 whole pack and then half of it, so let's say 3.5 packs. That was what I used for the extension. And look at the volume, guys, it's so full. I started to separate just to see how much volume I could get, and the more I was separating the hair, the bigger it was getting and the more volume I was getting. So at this point, I was okay with the volume that I had installing this hair. If you want it fuller, you can definitely go ahead and use 5 packs. If you even use 3 packs, honestly, it's enough. You just need to fluff separate as much as you'd want to continue to style the hair.
Then I just use water again to get more definition and volume. I was honestly thinking of just to achieve more calls, just to see how it's going to look like. But I said, okay, there are some people who do not know how to style crochet hair. Instead of doing anything extra, I thought to just, sprit it with just water and run my fingers through, brush it, comb it, fluff it, and do whatever. Because I know this is something most of you can do. So just to show you guys how it looked, and it was so soft, guys. Like the more you're spritting it, the softer it's getting, and it's much easier for you to work with. You can fluff, you can brush, you can do whatever you want to do with the hair.
New love, can we get high? New love, no drugs. I'm ready to fly, no drugs. Pull up, if I'm on your mind, pull up above. When you come inside it, in us, I am baptized, I am alive again. Give me new life, take me to heaven. When it feels right, that's that ascension. Never go back to when we before you forgot my worth. Your love for me feels like a rebirth. I don't wanna lose this high, wouldn't wanna lose this high. I just wanna make me yours, I just wanna make you mine.
So I thought to cut like a side bang for the style, not too much, but just a little thing, because I thought to do like a side part. But then again, I said, you know what, I'm just going to do like a side bang, and I absolutely love it. So you can do a fringe, you can roll the hair, you can basically do any pattern with the style. It's easier for you to work with. It all depends on what you want. But guys, can you see how soft and bouncy this hair was looking? It felt like it was a clip in. And the good thing about this extension is that it's reusable, so you can take it out, reuse it. And if you want to reuse it, I would highly suggest you do like a twist with it. But then again, it all depends on your preference. It's also going to eat. Like, guys, this extension, you know what, I'm done talking at this point. I'm honestly done talking.
Each other's skin above. Finally risen to the occasion. Past love's forgiven. Made heart space for the one. When it feels right, that's that ascension. Never going back to when before you forgot my worth. Your love for me feels like a rebirth. I don't wanna lose this high, wouldn't wanna lose this high. I just wanna make me yours, I just wanna make you mine.
I am done installing and styling this hair by QVR. All the link of this hair, like I mentioned, will be in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Click on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I make a post here on YouTube. Until my next video, bye guys, and love you guys. Bye.